Hey guys, I have more good news on the engine front. As you already know, I've already secured and placed a deposit on the engine that can get shipped to me. Further good news today, and there he is texting me now, the shop. The further good news today is I have secured a location. I've secured a repair shop here in town in Pecos that was referred to me by multiple people. Eagle Automotive Repair here in Pecos. They said they can swap an engine for me. The price is not cheap. It's about what I thought it was going to be. $2,150 for labor to swap this engine because it is a big job. And he says bring it in this coming Friday, next Friday, basically a week from now, a little bit less than a week from now. He wants to work on it. I can get the engine for sure by then. My mom is fronting me the money. I appreciate her so much. I got to pay her back. So I'm gonna do some creative things, make music and such in order to raise money to pay her back. But I still need to get it installed. I don't have that $2,150 right now to get it installed. But yet I am scheduling this install. I'm thinking maybe if I at least give him half of it, if I could raise half of it, he'll get started on it, and then give him the other half when he's done. So I need to raise some money still. So please, fixthatbus.com. Now's the time more than ever to support. If you've been watching my journey from the start, or if you just began and you like the story, please donate right now at fixthatbus.com so we can get this engine fixed and get out of here. This is actually happening. Everything is in motion. I have the engine. I have the shop. Everything is where it needs to be right now. I just need to continue raising the funds. So great news, man. Great news. Once again, every step of this way, getting this together, I've been emotional. Just before I got on camera, I broke down in happy tears that this is actually happening. I have a date. Where am I going to stay while the bus is getting fixed on, being worked on? I don't know. I don't care, honestly, right now. I'll figure it out. Me and Jackson will find a way. But this is happening. Fixthatbus.com. Please support that GoFundMe page because now is the time. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you.